Kailabreece.
So, do I think overpopulation is a potential problem? Definitely. Basically, overpopulation means that the amount of organisms within an environment exceed the carrying capacity for that region's ecosystem. Overpopulation is the result from an increase in births, a decline in mortality rates, an increase in immigration, or a depletion of resources. Resources that lead to overpopulation worries are clean water, clean air, food. Modern technology has aided in our ability to increase a region's carrying capacity. However, as Thomas Malthus predicted in 1798, resources tend to grow linearly. Population grows exponentially. Add to this fears of global warming, desertification, overfishing, soil degradation, deforestation, aquifer depletion, and a host of other environmental problems caused by industrialization, and overpopulation becomes more than just a sci-fi movie, but an assured reality. So, what can we do to prevent the effects of overpopulation? Well, population control comes in a variety of methods. Contraception, abstinence, abortion, decreasing immigration, and controversial reproduction mandates, such as China's one-child policy, in which having more than one child is made extremely unattractive and even taxed. Other nations have created incentives to having fewer children, like India, where only people with 2 or fewer children are eligible for certain elected positions. Even nations like Iran, who are conservatively religious, emphasize the benefits of contraception and fewer children. Population control has become a global concern as resources are becoming noticeably exhausted. The United States has successfully installed a variety of family planning initiatives which have resulted in a lot of savings for the economy. The simple knowledge of contraception can drastically decrease population rates safely. Some economists even argue that a reduction of the population is key to economic growth. Yet, if we look at a list of countries ranked in order by population density, there is no correlation between population density and poverty. But who am I? If we want to look at the question philosophically, then we have natalism and antinatalism. Natalism is the ideology promoting reproduction. Natalistic policies range from mildly to severely anti-abortion and anti-birth control, depending on how strictly they are structured and enforced. But you can almost always expect a natalist to have religious roots. Just to quote the Bible, the book of Genesis, "And God blessed them, saying, Increase and multiply and fill the earth." The antinatalist, figures such as Arthur Schopenhauer and David Benatar, advocate the exact opposite. Both of these views are still present today. Many nations who consider overpopulation a real concern have decided to create anti-natalist policies, such as those promoted by family planning organizations. My question to my fellow intellectuals is this. What do you think overpopulation is a real concern? And what do you think is the best answer in dealing with exponential population growth? Geologist Dale Allen Pfeiffer claimed that coming decades could see spiraling food prices without relief and a massive starvation on a global level such as never experienced before. Is this a fact? I have no idea. But being morally responsible, I think we should at the very least attempt to conserve our resources and our environment. Population control is not a standalone answer, but any nation not incorporating such behavior or merely dancing around the issue will certainly be in an unfavorable position as our global population increases and our resource wealth disparities change. The big question is, how many people can we really support, and support with a high quality of living? The majority of people today survive, I think, on less than $1 a day, and these people are 9 times out of 10 found in the regions where fresh water and food is already beyond scarce due to poor economic conditions and already overpopulating. Personally, I will do my best to raise a family of no more than 2 children. That's my immediate contribution. This is kailabreece. What do you know?